The funnel velocity and revenue conversion report provides a type of cohort analysis which looks at what happens to all active opportunities that were created in the past year as they pass through the sales stages from top to bottom. The values along the left side of the funnel on the y-axis show the average number of days that the opportunity spent in that stage of the sales cycle. These values consider only the records that flowed through a given stage and ignore records that either have not progressed that far, skipped that stage in the sales process, or spent less than a day in that stage. On the x-axis, we see each funnel stage provides the likely revenue amount for those opportunities that progressed at least that far in the sales cycle, and they're segmented by industry. The percentage between the various sales stages indicates what percent of the previous stage made it at least as far as the next stage. So looking here, 76% of the needs analysis stage opportunities progressed at least as far as the value proposition stage. And at the bottom of the funnel, there are two summary metrics. On the left, we have the total funnel conversion. This is the total revenue for the closed-won opportunities divided by the total revenue in the cohort. So for this example, 9% of the likely revenue that entered the funnel at any stage reached the final closed-won stage. And on the right, we have the average cycle time, which equals the average sales cycle length in days for closed-won opportunities from the date created to the expected close date. In this scenario, all the opportunities that reached the final sales stage, meaning closed-won, regardless of where they started, spent an average of 28 days in the sales funnel. Looking at this data, I can see that 53 million of revenue that transitioned through the needs analysis stage spent an average of 44 days in that stage. And outside of qualification, this is the stage where revenue is sitting a bit longer in the sales cycle, so something to keep an eye on. By highlighting the environmental and technology industries, I can see that those two carry a majority of our revenue dollars. They also have a slightly higher funnel conversion rate and shorter cycle time compared to our overall revenue. This report gives great insight into where your conversion rate and sales cycle lengths fall, helping you to make changes as needed. It also allows you to identify where your deals are spending the most time in the sales cycle.